Want to know which apps are draining your battery? Let's check battery usage on iOS 18. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap on Battery. Here you'll see a graph displaying your battery level over time and your phone's activity. Scroll down further to check which apps have used the most battery power. You can view this data for the last 24 hours or the past 10 days. If an app is using a lot of battery due to background activity, consider limiting its usage. To extend battery life, you can enable low power mode right here in the battery settings. And that's it. Now you can easily check and manage your battery usage on iOS 18. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iOS 18 tech tips.